In this video, we learn how to prepare 3-methyl-1-phenylpyrazole-5-one from ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate react with phenylhydrazine. It gives 3-methyl-1-phenylpyrazole-5-one with loss of ethyl alcohol. In this reaction, the molar ratio is 1:1. Apparatus required for this experiment are evaporating dish, 100 cm³ conical flask, 100 cm³ beaker, measuring cylinder, water bath, wash glass, funnel, glass rod, wire gauze, etc. Chemicals required are ethyl acetoacetate, phenylhydrazine, and ether. Physical nature of ethyl acetoacetate is liquid. So, density of ethyl acetoacetate is 1.021 gram per cm³. In this preparation, we are using 1 gram of ethyl acetoacetate. You may directly weigh 1 gram amount of ethyl acetoacetate or convert this weight into volume by using formula density is equal to mass upon volume. So, volume is equal to mass upon density. As we know, the mass of the ethyl acetoacetate is 1 gram and density of ethyl acetoacetate is 1.021 gram per cm³. Therefore, volume of ethyl acetoacetate is 0.979 cm³. Physical nature of phenylhydrazine is also liquid. Density of phenylhydrazine is 1.0978 gram per cm³. In this preparation, we are using 0.8 gram of phenylhydrazine. You may directly weigh 0.8 gram of phenylhydrazine or convert this amount into volume by using formula density is equal to mass upon volume. So, volume is equal to mass upon density. As we know, mass of the phenylhydrazine is 0.8 gram and density of phenylhydrazine is 1.0978 gram per cm³. Therefore, volume is equal to 0.72 cm³. Preparation of 3-methyl-1-phenylpyrazole-5-one involves following steps. Place 1 gram or 0.97 cm³ of ethyl acetoacetate and 0.8 gram or 0.72 cm³ of phenylhydrazine in a dry evaporating dish. Heat the mixture on a boiling water bath for about 90 minutes with occasional stirring until a taste portion solidifies on titration with ether. Allow the viscous reddish syrup to cool and then add 7 cm³ of ether. Stir the mixture vigorously with glass rod for 10 minutes when the product solidifies. Filter the product and wash with ether. Recrystallize the crude product from aqueous alcohol, dry and weigh the pure product and determine the melting point of purified product. Now we will go to lab and we will perform the experiment.